Hi friends, in this video let us see how to add bullet points in Excel. First method is by using the Excel shortcuts. We should be using the Alt button along with the numeric keypad. So in this column E, let us type these shortcuts and see how we are getting the different bullet points. For solid bullet, press the keyboard shortcut Alt plus 7. For empty bullet, press Alt plus 9. For arrow bullet, press Alt plus 16. For square bullet, press Alt plus 254. For heart bullet, press Alt plus 3. For rectangular bullet, press Alt plus 22. Similarly, you can use the different number combinations with the Alt button so that you will be getting different bullet types. This is nice and easy, right? Second method is by using the symbol dialog box. Go to the Insert tab, select Symbols, a dialog box will open. Select the font as Calibri or anything that you wish and select the bullet symbol you want to use and click Insert and then click Close. Got it? Now third method is using the formula, which I sometimes prefer, which is by typing the formula as equals to char 149. This is for the solid bullet point. Now let us see the fourth method, which is by using the formatting option. Before applying this trick, copy any of this bullet style and then select the cells in this column. Right click to select the format cells. Select custom from the below list. Now paste the copied bullet symbol in the type box and then give space and type @ and click OK. Now whatever text that you type in this column we get by default with the bullet points. This is my favorite method, which is very smart and saves a lot of time. Got it, friends? So in this way you can add bullet points in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.